Hi, this is Jamie, and we're going to show you how to freeze panes in Google Sheets. So if you want to, say, keep these top two lines, but when you scroll so that you can always see the titles, in Google Sheets, you'll grab the lowest line that you need. So in this case, we're going to grab number 2, and then we're going to go to View, Freeze, and you can say up to row 2, or you just say 2 rows in this case. And now we have those frozen. If you wanted to keep column A frozen so that when you scrolled this way, you knew it was what student it was, you can grab the column and do the same thing, freeze, and then do the columns up to A or column or one column. And in this case, it's a merge cell, so you would have to go in here and unmerge. It's right here, and unmerge that cell, and then it would let you do it. Freeze, column A. And so now if I scroll this way, those stay, and if I scroll this way, these stay.